Hello there, welcome to Mr. Saxon. So today I just want to show what I see when I'm sitting. I mean, it's kind of cool, and I'm just going to go in detail a bit what I have. So right now what you see is three screens, okay? The three screens are 1440p, so that means that it's 2K screens of 24 inches each. So what you see now in front is my Windows computer, and in the right and left is Mac computer, okay? I now have both at the same time on. Usually depending what I need, I put in one screen or another, but right now both are on. As you can see down, I have three different systems. So I have the mouse, keyboard, and an extra app. We can select keyboard too. So the MacBook can be controlled by both things depending on a switch. I can go that later. And the same for the mouse. So the mouse depending on the switch to turn on and off. And in the left side is the mouse pad. The mouse I use for playing World of Warcraft, and it's always connected to the desktop computer. So the desktop computer is there and the Mac is here in the other side. I can go in detail for everything, but just now that you can see it up there, I have a mobile phone that what it's doing is just presenting me the hour and my calendar in case I have any attending or something is going to pop up there. Then in the left side is just a little remote, another phone, a super old phone that what it's doing is just playing the information that the desktop or the Windows computer send to the phone. So in that case, I'm going to enter now in more detail. So as you can see the GPU, CPU, the RAM, the VRAM of the graphic card, and the computer right now is downloading things. And then that's mostly what I see right now. Here's my usual phone, it's a Pixel phone. And here I have my external hard disk drive that is for the Mac that I have in my left. A little controller here that is for the Mac also, for putting SD cards or connecting something to it, so I don't need to plug it directly to the Mac. And then here is my headphones, what I use for listening. It's pretty cool, it's loaded. As I show you in the video of the loading things, as you can see, that is with the magnetic plug here. That one is the plug here for loading stuff. Also the other phone have a magnetic plug here. That is my stand, and also have a magnetic plug that I can grab it from here left. When I need it, I just plug it here and automatically is loading my system. I also have another one here that is elongated, so in case I want to load something that is far away from where it is, and then it's how I do it. So here's my little computer. It's not so visible right now, but it's 9800X3D with a 5090, and well, can run everything, you know. Then here's my little pad that is super old, but I'm mega happy with it, the Orb Weaver from Razer. That's a little keyboard that is mostly for Windows, but I use it. Then for Mac, I use in the Mac keyboard because for me it's one of the best for typing. Here's a little knob that I use it for putting up and down the volume. Depending on which one is connected, the volume go up and down. And here in the middle is a little knob, and when I press it, just move mouse on. So as you can see right now, the mouse is here in the middle moving, and then if I click here, now the mouse start moving in the Mac. As you can see, now it's going up and down the Mac, and then I mean, it's something nice. I have it. So now we go more in detail with what I have here. That is my Mac. I just have it with a little fan that is blowing air directly to the back. So what it's doing is that my computer is practically silent. It's just blowing a bit of air there, cooling down completely the computer. And that's the connections I have. That's a Thunderbolt connection that go directly to the other two screens you see, left and right. And the one in the middle is a direct connection. It's a direct USB-C to HDMI that directly go to the screen. So the only one that is multi-hub is that, and that is just for the audio, for the mic that is here in the middle. That's the mic I use for recording, for video cams, for conferences. Everything is going through here. Here on top is a little MagSafe accessory that is for the iPhone. Then I can use it as a webcam. That's my old webcam that probably I'm going to retire or sell it secondhand. It's a pretty good one, but I'm going to probably sell it. And that's mostly what I see, you know. Here in my left usually is my cap up there. That is the decoration cap, because as you can see, Saxon Corp, that's the name of the channel. So here is my cap, water, that's by taking notes, and that's it. And there is all the things I'm using, except that one that is pretty obsolete. That's my gaming pad. That's for changing. If I play in World of Warcraft, I just move to the one of 12 buttons. That is usually I don't play with that one, but why it's there. And that's it. I mean, there's nothing more else to do, but I hope you enjoy the video, and give like if you like it. See you then, and let me know how is your setup. Ciao.
Welcome to Mr. Saxon.